le thir tu hai po masan HSA dikhu unit mingin lom thu kan ongthil nom chewa voisun tarek nikhat February sang ni som ni paruk lottery so tagai lo draw ha au andar sari chenna draw ding ai ti kha ahun tagai tho thai no len etian pathin ni ani bok le in khom hai lom le ti huna ai tan thai no in ri thim na kanung hian ma sa chewa kei zonal sandam mar HSA dikhu unit president kania kasira hi aming rilvesin
kami chu HSA Lottary Draw ani
ama hi committee member fel em ania le thil dang dang ayang ril mai nei thil tho tum tak lottery ayang draw ding ania e draw nai nei ma hin amilo lapek tu hai po ticket amilo lapek tu hai to maya nam ta dinga in lo lak ngai hi HSA diphui unit chun in chunga kan lom tak je chewani pathin le tamin mal som sin la chew i a ticket la tu hai hi nam dang komanduma anni hai kom thank you so much it's on everyone who saw their love and affection by taking our lottery, so we give thanks to each and every one of you. So we'll start the lottery draw. I thought I think to it will be like this. So I have 3 bowl here. 1, 2, and 3. So here we have lottery here. Aizor dok za thi la zuk leita aizor dok za thi zaruk le somruk aizor dok ani lom khopela zaruk le somruk ana chu khata khan attention a booklet kha zor dok lo dam alo meta pani pathum vel chau ania e khang hai kha I maniti a hitakan lottery draw na an number da me lo pot pal ani chun chu ai la pot thanok ding ani le alis kha hi wa me mo mi lo choi vaccine hosen hing hai ti ani ana chu la pung lang chung ngai ta alis kom kan nei bong ta zor dok lo booklet I mani za zor dok no ai juk ti chun an number ai lo skip dam ani a chu entry team na ding in ai ong khil ma sa ni sin le hita kahin number uma ai hit theina dingin ken hung suklang masatak kata hi number 6 ania 6 ya ruka garul pan lo thang pui sin mo khatin hung taka nei sing ai ding thun lut pai ding ni ro si o hi sung por lang pai la hi 6 ania kan pakhat hung la dok nok le 6 ania hi 0 ang ponok per le 6 0 4 hi 4 nakita ai khak zop char kha 0 ani o 0 chun hi number 3 inum na tian to khanin lang thei tho ka ringa 3 hi 3 ani chun hi 5 hi 2 hi 1 ani 1 an to ka 610 asan chu 60 660 chan ai zor to pani lai kan 1 an 0 an to ka 6 ai sin hi number first number digit number ading so here we have sold out what 660 tickets. So here we have 0 to 6. That means this will be the first digit number. And here we have 10 it's 0 to 9. Sorry. So I thought that you know lang no right. Oh, ita kami ang kado ko nga. At thai chun chu one an to pan hi a ru kan ni o ru empty thằng puel ka te oi lo so da wel the na 0 this will 0. This will be the second digit number. This is 1, 0, 1, and here we have 2, 0, 1, 2, and this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10 ani. This is from 0 to 9. So this will be the second digit number. And here we have third digit number. This will be the third digit number. 1 and 0 and 10 10 le here 0 0. Oh, this is also empty. Now this is 0, and here we have 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will do like this. I'll mix it up, and my colleagues Hosea is going to pick from here 1, 1, 1 from each bowl. He will pick up 1 each. So from here we will see the number. Okay. So okay. Affair nok zul dan ding hi nei thoi ama apot tu ding ani lain en lawin apot ding ni ros oh la juk mix kan oi te na ki mix dan lo palati no dang ting khan milo pa pek sin tu man na ti hi tu kham ai la hit no tu in ai si kim rong ta like I see that can according to this lottery we have we have only the lucky number, only the luckiest number only have to be given the prize, but we have sold out beyond our expectation, so we will have 3 consolation prize. Consolation prize pathum ela pek sa ding ani first prize amu ba ka hin mi pathum hai lai consolation ela pek sa ding ani ahmasa taken first prize mutu cheng zanga dong tu ding we will do that one first, then after that 3 consolation prizes will be picked again from this bowl. Okay, so every team tamo tu tam he le tuin hai pot tan tai to okay mình hấp bẹt taro le so ting ung parole en lawen hung tiam hala tak khap parole hi hung pero ka ko taru hong yo who will be the lucky number? So this is the first digit number. Okay, are you ready? Are you all ready with your lottery? Lucky kapun. So let us start with this number. This is 5. 5. Whose number is with 5? Begin with 5. Get ready. So I'm going to put it back, this one in the same bowl, and the second bowl. True. Okay. So let us see. Oh, this is 9. 9. 5, 9. 5, 9. 5, 9. Okay, put it back. And the last number. Tu mana zanga dong ding le partner le. Pakhat. 5, 9. 5, 9. 1. 5, 9, 1. Tu ta mana? Anh đây tu chun hitakan HSA hai bula ong contact thai ninga ta aman tu khom hi atop ti tu nei khil sikir no kai tio nakile ai la khil lang ding ni ro se ka number ka ti ro ken choro le 591 ma no
Ani mo?
591 hi no ni hi 591 hi invalid number. That was invalid number. Nobody have that number, so we will do it again. So in ready to know it. Look see channel le. I mix to know it. Oh, 2,000. We'll do the same process.
Tuntu second number kan check tarawa.
Le. Bận rồi le. Các cô ta rụp mà. Ten, 2. 2. 2. Put it back. Chúng ta will to subtract đâu mình tăng ấy đi. 2. Next number. Next number. 2 zor na anything. 2. 0. 2 0. Aman tu cho đừng ngay ngay ta tiếng hỏi á. 2 0. 2 0. 2 0. Le, baru le. 2 0. 2 0 3. 2 0 3. Tu ta mi chu an umam pa endole 203. 203. 203 an mo. Tu maniti kha 203 kha chu low in chiketa 203 low in chik ro kha consolation amu thai tan hoding 500 amanani. So congratulations, the number who have the number 203 is the winner of the prize, that is 500 rupees. So congratulations, kan long pi talu che cheng zanga cheng somin zanga aman ani chu book man hi cheng so mana cheng zanga aman ani chu aman tu hi song ro lom song ate ani naupang song ro lom song ate ama hi Hebron area ania alo en no ani koma abul na ya yan in na ya lo hai da mai yun chu lo hidun la HSA tu hai bula anu male voi zang ngai kom hin cheng zanga aman kha ahung la thai ani ที่จู่อายุมันติดเจ้านี่อุลาสุเป็นไอ้ที่ล้มแมว
203
le 203 kha chu an ai pot fu no ani chun chu an thei ta no tu hin 3 consolation prize ai la sem no ding ani consolation prize mutu ha in cheng zakhat pai an muting ani cha sei la nei ni akat tu hai kha le hei pot thano kai o tu tai tho da nang thau kan chok thano me dai te le five bộ căn nọ tao mò five feet vàng này đừng hỏi là tao vay gian hèn hana chú number lâu khá nên nọ chân chú five khá lâu chỉ cái ta next we'll go to the next digit number five 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 le five two five two five two tao rồi bạn là giúp bạn số ta five two anh nghe ngay cái ngành tu ta về làm gì rồi five two le chọc rắc không mà tool chung nó five two nine five two nine ala nọ nọ two này là 529 chum 529 chum mani tu ta mani kha 529 chu ai zora mi oma 529 number abu tu hai khan HSA thru tu hai puma ai takita first prize mu ang thau khan i hung ngai ben bat atul ding ani 529 ma 529 le 20 iman le nakita kha 203 ข้างในkan an mu thai ta no ne live recording secretary lo uma ma kan pa ngai char alo mu chun alo ni chun chu ka kha a thiding ani abi pothan ho tul le tu hit consolation prize pathumai ti ka pakhat an zo ta tun pani ela thoding ani so we have two more consolation prize so let us start again là thar left có vẻ là pot two không anh mail nó three five không anh mail nó six top tiếng pa cắt hai cả six tiêu mà na six lỡ anh đừng rớt vàng này mail thế le next number chọc vào đây thế six six two le và mi hi 6 2 1 6 2 1 booklet masatak ani ding 6 2 1 tu madong ani 6 2 1 kom second consolation prize amutu tu kha lowen ringun la okay 6 2 1 is the second consolation prize so we will go to the final consolation prize pathum 18 na pani ai zo ta tu hin pathum na last tak lo man ala mut chak lo hai dam ka chance last chance an ta tu ta mi he tu ta mi hi chu ken kap pot vetel di mani mo karul pain ka tho da kan ning pot kir ve sen ne dok to ten en lo nei pot ka cái không
chọc cái gì
Sia.
tiền chấm rồi tất
leo
đây number pathum ni 3 ni đang giúp chọc nọ dengan ni sip mix cái gì ปดที่ตะ
3 จะปลดเงินแม่เองที่ว่ามีอะไรปลดงานแม่ร้อยมีอะไรเสียเท่าไหร่
อันนี้ตัว hell 6 อันนี้
3 6
3 6
last
last ตัวจาก n นอกไอ้ตัว
3 6
จากอันนี้ตัว9 369 369 sin นะหูจริง
aku mau mau itu ah
ๆ n นอกไอ้ตัว
nah takai kok na kan aku mau no 369 kan 369 na uma ni semua
มันนี่จ้ะ
369 number na itu kha an uma 369 recording secretary kan low record amanyo kha zu team lang ai ta mo vai za na lo man dong tu hai po kha an ning len number hai hai team lang ai ta chu zawa long tu ril na toy te su mai ta vai za na ting chu ai zo ring ro se lo la fe no ro le first prize cheng zanga mutu chu wang nei lai hom wang nei ta ti ngai ti nau pang song ro lom song ate ani lom ku te nei tiu em tu hai kom kha lom hai chu lom pui ro an tiang khan ai ku lo be nei ta arul tha da mai yom chun chu long khil ba dai ta mi khilel the ni o song ro lom nau pang song ro lom song ate Hebron area mi ani consolation prize mi pathum an uma chung hai chu consolation number 1 529 number 529 chu sang pui ngien te ani sang pui ngien te hi damrong ve nga mi ani kan lom pui talu che ne cheng zakhat i hung lam the ani o chun consolation apa hi na ami number 621 621 rublin tok bp ama hi tu mani kazu klit ching khola area u mani kazu klit ching no rublin tok bp if you are watching this channel please you can come and collect your prize to the HSA office bearers. Okay, you can come here and collect your prize. That is 100 rupees. Chun apathum na consolation prize amutu pathum na chu 369 Rose Tree. Hebron area Rose Tree. Anni hi an man vezi la an ni an wang nei khopel now pang Rose. Sorry call lo ma le continue no Rose Tree com i lo man hi i hum collect thai ani ti chu ai mun hit ker cheo ani so that's all. Thank you so much all the viewers, all the one who have taken our ticket, so we give thanks once again from HSA velno hai kom pathin in rematia huntra dam ela huno ani chun chu hi ang lottery hai dam hi HSA dipu unit chun fundraise fund hi kan nei no be ka nam ta dinga thil ei juk tho tum komin nam lam an no le thil program dam ei juk mang tum re sound system hi ei mamo laka chu ading chun thai to pin thai na na fundraise hi kanei zong kanei tho tuma tu pum chu chulei chun clear tu hai nu le pa nau pang chin takan to alen tak chen atlom tam atam tam ei thei ang anga HSA ma kan lak na hai fundraise kan tho nai mi lo thlop nok pe dingin ngen na kan hung sim sa bok ani le khilnum nan te la nei
อันนี้จงนะ
nei chung ma lom he karul pa khom kasiren men chong pui char chara abhyong tho puya lom uma khapau kha nisin imilo ha fan na lein le HSA damjing ro se
จะใช้ตามจริงหรอเซน
an regen mang tra bye bye